Welcome back to No Onions Allowed, my keto kitchen. So I got a request to make a pizza. I was talking about a pizza that I had made before, and this pizza has no crust. And my friend, she said, I want to see you make that because I don't believe that. So here we go. I have my fire on medium heat. The first thing you're going to do, add cheese to the skillet. Just a nice thin layer. This is a big pan. This is a 10-inch skillet. You can make it with a smaller skillet if you just want to do like a personal pizza. I'm gonna get this cooking. Once it starts to melt and bubble, we'll add our sauce and our toppings. It's just that easy. As you can see, we're getting a really nice boil. It's starting to bubble. That's what we want. That's what we want to see. Let that cook down. Get nice. Then what you do as it's getting soft, I just usually go around with a spatula and go around the edges and form a nice complete circle. Just because I'm extra like that and it bugs me to see it all uneven. It's getting there, guys. It's getting there. Gotta keep it on low heat. Once it starts bubbling, turn it to low so that you won't burn your cheese. It's not ready for my toppings yet. We're getting there though. Okay, see, it's starting to form, looking like a crust. It's starting to get brown edges. That's what I want. That's what I'm looking for. Now once it gets as brown as I need it to be, I don't know if you can see right there, then I'll add my sauce and my toppings. So when I peel it back, you see that? That's what we're looking for. See that? We're getting there. We're getting there. We'll be able to add our sauce soon. Okay, we're at the point where we're going to add our sauce. This is the sauce that we're going to put on here. This sauce has 4 grams of carbs and 2 grams of sugar per half of cup. And that's what we're going to use. We're going to use a half a cup, and then we're going to put our toppings. Let's see if we need the whole half a cup. We may not even need the whole half a cup. Yep. I think we use 1/4 of a cup. So we won't even have, it'll be like 2 carbs. Look at all that we still have left in there. Go ahead with our toppings. Put some more cheese on top, just a little bit. Just like that. That'll be super super giant pepperoni that I love so much. Then I go back on top, some more cheese, just like so. This is mozzarella, by the way. And then what I'll do, put a little coloring by adding some Colby Jack and cheddar, just a little bit, just to give it that pop of color. And that's it. And we'll get that all nice and cooked up, and we will be finished with our pizza. Okay, it's coming along. See, when you can swish it around, it's almost ready. Gotta get these toppings on top here to melt, and then we're good. It's almost ready. I just need this little top portion to melt a little more. It's nice and golden. Let me see if you can see this better. It's nice and golden around the edges. It smells wonderful. I don't want you guys to panic and think that you're burning it, because you are not. You are not. It is wonderful. Be right back. Okay, we are ready to take this out of the skillet. You see how it just kind of moves around there? We're just going to go ahead and slide it on out onto the parchment paper. And there you have it. Crustless pizza 101. We're going to let it cool off, cut it up, and munch. Okay, so let's get this cut. I can't find my pizza slicer. Here, crunchy is crunchy. There we go. Crustless pizza. Nice and warm. I don't know if you guys can hear that crunch in my mouth. So good. If you don't have none, you better go make you some. So next time, next time, I'll make a big one and we can share it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you do, please hit that notification button so you can be notified every time I upload one of my awesome videos. If you think I'm crazy for Cocoa Puffs, probably am, but share it with a friend. Until next time, peace, love, and soul.